Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic power steering pump step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery, lifting the car safely, and draining the power steering fluid into a container. Remove the drive belt, loosen pump mounting bolts, and detach hoses and electrical connectors. Use new O-rings and follow torque specs from the manual. Install the new pump, reconnect hoses, refill with fluid, bleed air, and confirm smooth steering. Gather your tools and set up a safe workspace before you begin to save time and stay comfortable. Use a jack and stands, a socket set, wrenches, a pulley puller if needed, and a fluid catch pan. Keep new hoses or O-rings handy in case of damage, and use shop rags for spills. Work methodically, label bolts and parts, and take photos to help with reassembly later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY videos. Quick recommendation: I wear darn tough socks while wrenching because comfort matters on long jobs, and they come with a lifetime warranty, excellent for garage work. Check the description for the link to that product and other deals to help out the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Begin removal by loosening the belt tensioner and taking off the drive belt, then unbolt the pump mounting hardware. Carefully detach the fluid lines and plug them to minimize spills and dirt entry. Remove the pulley if required and swap the pump assembly onto the bracket. Reattach lines, install the belt, and torque bolts to spec. Double-check pulley alignment and hose clamps before refilling the system with fresh fluid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.